Good morning. All right. Hello. Welcome to YouTube. Hey, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we're in our local Harrisburg area. It's a beautiful Sunday. We normally don't work on Sundays, but if you are a commercial business, we'll go ahead and get it done because that's most efficient and no one's going to be in the area. If you're in Harrisburg, Lancaster, York, you want some janitorial and or strip and wax like we're doing today, carpet cleaning, whatever, we can go ahead and handle that solution for you. Our carpet cleanings dry in 1 hour. That's right, 1 hour. And check out some of our videos on that. Now, like I said, we're here at the cat bus station. So we're going to go ahead and check out and see what we're getting into here. Like I said, it's a strip and wax. Let's show you these floors. All right. So we're going to bring these back here. Those dark areas, we cannot improve that. As you can see, it's down to the tile surface. Wax was already previously taken off. And just from rolling back and forth from wear and tear. Just like your tires, they get wear and tear. After a while, you're just gonna have to replace them. You can't bring them back or retread them. All right. See, we got this area in here. All right, we got this little hallway. This room. Women's locker room. So they're in here. I don't think we're doing this area. We're not doing this break room. All right, so that's pretty much it here. We're gonna go ahead and get this floor nice and shiny and bring it back to life. Stay tuned. All right, as you can see, we're preparing the floors. Got the shop back out, getting all the corners, getting all this dirt and dust up. All right. Very important. So now we're starting to strip the floor. As you can see, the color difference. If you hit that matte area was real matted down. I don't know how long that's been on there. All right. All right, and you can just see what it's doing to the floor now. I got that matte area up. And this is a black pad we're using. And I know the machine's really ugly, but there's a reason why we're using this machine. It's very old. This machine is as old as me. It was built in '92. So it's really, really heavy, okay? That's the reason why we use this particular machine. Like I said, you know, it's a workhorse, but that's why, you know, it looks the way it does. It does a great job. Let's get behind you, get the door. Good?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it back up.
All right. Now you, yep, come in here.
Come in here now?
Yep. I want to manually get the corners here. As you see, it's coming along great. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna hit the other area. Now he's over there buffing, and as you see, we're fucking up the solution now. All the wax. Neutralize the floor here. We got our small auto scrubber. We don't have big blue today. We just don't need it. It's overkill. right, as you can see, we're putting the wax down now. It's still wet. This is the first layer over here. Over on the other side, there's 4 layers over there. All right, you're gonna see how it adheres. And like I said, this is the first one. And we're just working our way out. Very simple process here. Very simple process. You put the wax on the floor, microfiber pad, dip her in there, a little wax on there, and we apply it to the floor. So that's what we're doing, applying the wax. Now we have to let it sit. You can see we're working our way backwards. I'm actually applying a thick layer on here. That way we can get it really good. And I have to put as many layers down. Lay it on there nice and thick. It comes out real nice. Edges. Don't get the wall, get the edges. Alright. So now we're gonna wait 20 minutes before we walk back in here on this floor. And we'll see if it comes up here. See what it's looking like after that point. So this is the 4th layer. Alright. Stay tuned.